look like a complete different person. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marissa, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a little bit of a transformation. It is 2021. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I'm gonna be transforming myself into an ABG.
Wait a minute, what's an ABG? ABG, also known as Asian baby girl, are Asian girls who are very into fashion, loves boba, wears fake lashes and nails. Their makeup and outfits are always on point and typically identified by tattoos. They're super fun to be around with, very glamorous and luxurious, and normally seen at raves, parties, and clubs.
So yeah, that's why I got like a bunch of stuff. I did my nails. It is a press-on nails that I got from Amazon. Let me tell you something, okay? I've never had long nails, and boy, like the struggle is real. I can't, like it's hard to like do stuff. I feel like girls who have like long nails, like it's hard. They can do anything. I also got this fake tattoos from Amazon, some nose rings, fake ones, some hoop earrings, and I managed to get like the fluffiest eyelashes I could find. They're super big and fluffy. Like I've never worn anything like that before, but we're gonna go full on glam today. Also, I think most of the ABGs, they have like tattoos like on their sleeve right here, which is cool. I might want to get some maybe one day. If you're interested, I will link everything down below in the description box. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna put on some contact. All right, I will be back. All right, got my contacts on, put my hair back. Yeah, this is gonna be a challenge, you know, doing stuff with long nails. If you girls have long nails, you guys are the realest. Okay, you is the baddest. All right, so I'm gonna be priming my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimize. I'm just gonna be applying it on the T-zone. So I noticed that sometimes ABGs, they have like this like winged liner, they're on fleek. I wanna try to do that. I've never done that before. I'm gonna do my best to do it. Maybe a little bit more. And their makeup are always on point. And I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so I did my eyebrows. Now we're gonna move on to the face. I legit just like stabbed my eye. For foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Rare Beauty. There you go. Rare Beauty Liquid Weightless Foundation in the shade 290. I love this foundation. It's just so lightweight. Also, I'm like breaking out a little bit. It's gross. These are so dry. Legit winter is just, oh no, I can't wait for it to be over. It's just like snowing really bad this past like 3 days. For concealer, I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty. Why is it not focusing? All right, there you go. Yep, for concealer, I'm gonna be using this concealer by Rare Beauty in the shade 280. Next, we're gonna be bronzing our face using the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronze. Hala. There you go, in the shade Honey Glaze. I might need a smaller brush. To set the face, I'm just going to be taking the Covergirl Clean Professional Loose Powder in the shade, I think it's Translucent Medium. Break a little bit. I'm going to be using like the X's to set the forehead. I forgot. What did I don't know why I set my face already, but for contour I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Mocha. Blend it out. And for blush, I'm just going to be taking this blush by Colourpop in the shade Jet Set. Love this blush so much. Like, it's just, this definitely would go with this look. Alright, now moving on to eyes. So I'm just going to be using this palette by Colourpop. And I'm just going to be taking this shade right here called Spotted, and I'm just going to be putting it on my crease. And I think I'm not going to do anything else to the eyes. It's just going to be like this. I'm just going to be focusing on the fluffy fake lashes. Bring it down to the lower lash line. So next I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's called Ground Crew, and I'm just going to be packing it on my outer corner. Bring it down to the lower lash line once again. Right, should be good. And now we're going to move on to liners. So I'm just going to be taking this liner by Colourpop in the shade Grande, and I'm just going to be lining my eyes. Nervous. Okay, let's start with that. So I got my liners on. Time for lashes. Yes. Okay, so let's see. I can't even get it out. How do you take it out? Okay, shoot. so fluffy. Alright, I'm gonna pop on the other one and I'll be right back. Alright, I got both the lashes on and they're fluffy. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh my god. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit more of that darker shade right here on the crease because legit, it's just like gone now. You can barely see it because of these lashes. Okay, now we're gonna move on to highlights. So I'm gonna be taking this highlighter, this liquid highlighter by Rare Beauty in the shade Flaunt. Okay, let's go to my nose, inner corner. Ooh. That one. Yes, queen. Yes. I'm just gonna be taking this smaller brush for the inner corner. Okay, add a little bit more to this side right there. You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit more. Because where the hell not? Forehead. Now, for the lips, I'm just gonna go in with this lip liner by NYX Cosmetics. There you go. Oh, all right, there you go. In the shade London. Guys, I know this pimple right here is just like so huge. It's becoming mini on me. Okay. I don't know, it just doesn't show. I'm just gonna be adding this also by NYX. I've been using it so much that it's like super short. This is in the shade Natural. Okay, that's better. It's showing more on my lips because like the other color is just like kind of my lip shade, so it doesn't really show. Okay, I'm gonna be adding Top Matte Lip Cream by NYX Cosmetics in the shade London. Maybe add a little bit more of, I'm gonna try to add a little bit more of this Stix by Colourpop in the shade Brat Pack. See what happens. I'm just gonna be dabbing it on the lips. Smelling like vanilla caramel. Okay, now the fun part. I'm gonna go change and I will be right back. Okay, we're gonna add this hoop earring. Nose rings. Let's give it a try. This looks good. I might have to get one. It's really going full on ABG over here. Okay, how do you do this? Ah, nails. I don't know how to put this on. like a different person. We're not done yet. Actually, I have like a hair clip. Let's give that a try. Got the hair clip on. Okay, fake tattoo. Can you help me? So yeah, I got this hair clip a while. If you see my last video from the Valentine's Day video, like I was using this hair extension clip. It was originally for this content right here. My hair is a lot shorter, but like, okay. Is this one? Oh man, I hope this works. Okay. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I actually like how it turned out. I didn't think I was gonna be able to pull it off, but I might get a sleeve, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my future upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys next time.